right, Thursday afternoon, quick weather update for you as things are still pretty calm for now, but that is likely to change as we go into the evening hours. Live look outside here in Niles. Some fair weather cumulus clouds around, and it is hot. We have temperatures in the 80s. We have dew points in the lower 70s, and that's creating a heat index this afternoon here at 2:48 p.m. of 91 degrees. Radar is quiet locally. We're getting an increase in sunshine. That's going to cause the atmosphere to become more and more unstable. We're starting to see some activity trying to break out up in southeastern parts of Michigan. Now, we're still a few hours away from any kind of severe weather threat here, but the threat is there as we go to the evening hours. Here's our high-resolution model right around 7 to 8 o'clock. I think there's going to start to be some clusters of storms descending in from the northwest and impacting parts of northeast Ohio and northwest PA. Prime time here is kind of, I have a general range of 6 to 10 p.m., but generally 7 to 9 is kind of the meat of things. It's long gone by the time we'll go on the news tonight at 11, and it will be a quiet overnight period. Now, the severe weather threat is high enough that it has our attention, certainly. We're in the slight risk zone throughout the region, slight risk for any type of severe weather. Remember, a severe thunderstorm defined by wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or greater, or hail 1 inch in diameter or larger, or if there's a tornado. Severe thunderstorms are not defined by lightning or rain, anything like that. It's the wind, the hail, or any tornadic activity. Number one threat, wind damage. Number two would be a flooding downpour. Now, these are going to be moving along, but we've got a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. Notice I have tornado on here. I don't think there's a lot of tornadoes around this evening, but the chance is not zero of an isolated tornado somewhere in northeast Ohio and northwest PA. So we're not going to play that up too much, but keep it in the back of your head that it is not outside of the total realm of possibility that somewhere across the region there is a spin-up tornado. Again, 6 to 10 is prime time this evening. So again, damaging wind gusts, the number one threat, with a lower tier threat being that isolated tornado. Not too concerned about large hail. Well, after things calm down this evening, we'll do a weather for Weather Geeks and take a look at the longer range. But look for shorter videos from me, lots of updates on social media as we head into what should be a pretty busy period this evening between 6 and 10, and more specifically between 7 and 9 o'clock.